One name also say that allegedly that the reason why she divorced her husband is that in their village, if a woman cheats on her husband, she dies. That's the reason why she divorced the husband. She said it and was laughing, and she divorced the motherfucker. It's not a made-up story. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to VVR channel. And this particular one is kind of like a menace in the society, and is another one is that a norm. Cheating, both on the woman part and on the men part, is becoming a normal thing in Nigeria. Then go the video firsthand and know if this lady could about why she divorced her husband.
I broke up with my ex-husband because allegedly I divorced my ex-husband because in their village, if a woman cheats, she dies. Now 21st century. Oh, now you people are looking for who to kill. If a woman cheats, she dies. You want to kill me for my mother? No! I divorced the motherfucker.
So, number one thing is that you heard it from her, from the horse's mouth. So, more when you could say that to be honest, marriage, the much is marriage and me like egu, because maka divorce, okay, my divorce. Ayasa. First of all, I will not say I blame the lady, because any tradition that protects a certain people and threaten people's life, that tradition needs to be amended. We cannot say we have not heard about obodo na emeudi here, enwe obodo in Anambra, in Enugu, in Ebonyi State, that this is their tradition. And when you are I go again or something, but we know about these things, we've heard it, that not there. So as a babe, a man imo beginner, this guy is from that particular village or that town. But as ever name video that you divorced the motherfucker. First of all, lady, there are some certain things you don't come online and say, which means ebunobi to cheat on the guy. I had a cousin because boze afafabu cheaters are liable to do anything, because hana sena men nana enwezi uno. And remember, another thing is ndị mgbe ochie, ndị mgbe gboo na-abịa, nwoke na-anụ ọtụtụ ụmụ nwaanyị ada anụ ọtụtụ di anụta gị edobe ịghọta ka ọ webụ na ede onwere onye na-eje na nwaanyị a ọkwa onye nụ nwaanyị 7 ọnụta ofu onye na-apịa ọkụ. You know, I feel that some things are not in balance, because Bible said that women are the weaker vessel and men are the stronger, probably the stronger vessel. So nwoke na ụmụ nwaanyị abụrụ ofu. Even in nature, nwoke na nwaanyị abụrụ ofu. Nwoke ịafụ nwoke dị 70 ọ ka na-eme ihe ụmụ nwoke na-apịakwa till 70, 80. But nwaanyị dị 80, 70 olezikwa ma onye a na-agba ọ na-aṅụ ọgwụ, you know. And nwaanyị dị 80 years ada amụ nwa, but nwoke dị 80 years ya tụba nwaanyị ime. That's the more reason why you see that na nwoke na nwaanyị abụrụ ofu. However, we try to do this debate. Number 1 bụ na nwoke na nwaanyị abụrụ ofu. Number 2 bụ na tradition ọbụla na-eme ka ịma tradition na ana Igbo. Ọkwa ife omenala na ana Igbo favor kali ụmụ nwoke kali ụmụ nwaanyị. Kita azụ ihe bịazi na-echange, but I don't think na those obodo a na-emekwa ụmụ ihe ahụ they've changed it. They've not changed it. Ihe a ka dịkwa. Ijikwa ndị obodo ọ ka dịkwa. So as a babe, bụ n'obi ichiti on your husband maka ọgbaji odolu, ijikwa nwoke obodo ọ bụ na obodo a ọ ga pụtakwa before pụta ebe a allegedly divorce the motherfucker. You shouldn't be proud about such a thing. You should, which means you didn't even do a background check on the inner chain or on a life commitment, because these days people offer as a marriage now a lifetime commitment. Before we the exchange, the vows on the altar is till death do us part. But if on these days, suppose quite till death do us part, no, oh, we can go the guy or the girl, ejide the girl, oh yes sir, but the guy na atakwa, but the girl had atakwa guy man. You know, marriage these days have become like you know, women come out online and start saying that even let me even say this way, that oyibo awago omuanyanya. Women these days, enlightenment, feminism is all fine and good for feminism, but at a certain rate, even these people put on feminism. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie is married. Nodu biye or they member to ayanu ni beka Chimamanda say na DJwe or where the guy. We don't even see them online. You see they are happily ever after playing out before our eyes. Somebody and that doesn't have any word. You divorce the motherfucker. It's good for you, but oyibo awago mwanya ụfọdụ na-ekwu kasịsị most times ndị a n'obodo oyibo kwa ndị a n'obodo oyibo fa na respect kwa nwunye fa ọfụma o anata Nigeria ọnụta nwaanyị na Nigeria odobie na Nigeria ihe niile a bụ ihe a na-emesi ya idobe nwaanyị na Nigeria nọdụ obodo oyibo na-akụkwa nwaanyị anọdụ ebe ahụ even ụfọdụ nwaanyị ada ekwetezi ekwu even let me even tell you the truth ụmụ nwaanyị anyị ada agwasịzi unu eziokwu because ụmụ nwoke feel na ha dị wise ụmụ nwaanyị minazia ọ na-emele onwe ya ọ na-eme ifilo na baby ịnọ na o nwere nkepụta online na-asị na he's been married for 13 good years na nwunye ya cheating be ọ ga bezweta onye ala na ọ ga-aṅụ olu ya iyi ọga your woman is just being a smarty panty is matters okay ọ bụrụ ife niile ka ụmụ nwaanyị let me anyway on another note when we start our podcast you see what the streets are saying when they come together you hear them talk. That's why this woman was able to say what other people are saying. A lot of them if or they call the posa or they call the egolo. Aprocom ada